Morning children. In this video, we are going to learn the lesson Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Have you read ever the comic stories? The comic stories. Comic stories means in which the story is told through the pictures. So the lesson is, it is a comic story, Gopal and the Hilsa fish. There is a season of Hilsa fish. Everywhere, all the people are talking about the Hilsa fish. One villager buy the Hilsa fish. His wife asked him that for how much you have buy the Hilsa fish. He said, you will never believe how much low cost I have purchased it. The vendors also sell the Hilsa fish in this season. The mongers means vendors. Mongers and vendor, it means the who sold the fish, who sold the things. Not only fish, but who sold the things. To them we call as the mongers or the vendors. So, in the court, the courtiers also talk about the Hilsa fish. So, while listening about the Hilsa fish, the king get fed up. He scolded one of the courtier. The courtier is telling that how big Hilsa fish he has caught. Then the king scolded him. You are a courtier or you are a fisherman? So the courtier looked downcast. Downcast means to let down. So the king said, even the Gopal will not stop the talking about Hilsa fish. Gopal said, no, I can. So the king challenged Gopal that he has to buy the Hilsa fish from the market and he has to bring to the court. But no one should ask a single thing about the Hilsa fish, or no one should talk about the Hilsa fish. Gopal accepted the king's challenge. After a few days, he has done half shave. His wife asked, what are you doing? Why you are half shaven? He said that I want to buy the Hilsa fish. And he smears the ash on his face. Smearing means to dip in. To cover the face with ash. So, and by the half shave, by smearing the ash on the face and with the rag clothes. Rag means torn clothes. He went to the market. He purchased the Hilsa fish. And while going from market to the court, no one has talked about the Hilsa fish. Everyone is having attention towards Gopal about his appearance. Some people said he has gone mad. So, when he reached to the court, the guard stopped him. He said that he want to meet the king. The guard said, no, go away from here, by seeing his appearance. They doesn't recognize that he was Gopal. So, to meet the king, he started dancing and singing loudly. I want to meet king, I want to meet king, let me go in. By hearing his voice, the king asked, who is this? Go and call him. So the guard took the Gopal to the court. When Gopal reached to the court, the king said, he is the Gopal. So he asked, what is this? the other courtiers, they also think that the Gopal become mad. One of the courtiers said it was one of the fun of him. So Gopal said to the king that, have you forgot? King said, what? So Gopal said that you have challenged me, that I have to purchase the Hilsa fish and I have to bring to the court, and from this no one should ask about the Hilsa fish. So I went to the market, I purchased the Hilsa fish and I brought it to the court, and on the way nobody has talked about the Hilsa fish. Even in the court nobody has asked me about, or nobody has talked about the Hilsa fish. So the king laughed and he said to Gopal that you have won the challenge as you have won it earlier also. Thank you, children.